Hey everybody, Cappy here.
Miko here.
Here to play another round of Ratchet and Clank.
Hang on, I want to see if anything was unlocked.
Not yet. I think we only have like 3 bolts, don't we?
Yeah, we
yeah,
do.
We only have 3. I think the lowest price one was like 8 or 4.
Yeah.
What the? Oh, that's a costume, isn't it?
Yeah. It was unlocked with like our first bolt.
Okay.
I'll take those things off though.
It would be interesting to run around with it like once or twice.
Yeah. Bolt style. I guess it's how the bolts show up. But
I guess.
we'll leave that on for a second. Nice.
I love these games.
Let's pick a new planet. The blogger all cleared out of Kerwan.
Alright. Wait.
Infiltrating this facility will require advanced equipment. We should visit Wilgar to acquire it.
Real go, yeah.
Alright.
What do you say we put this new hoverboard to the test?
Let's go. Let's go with a real car.
Some fun little adventure. On to the game. Yeah, now that I think about it, actually your weapon count is up on the top left and the bolts are on the top right, so you might want to do one of the bottom corners.
Alright.
You've got enough bolts for the group.
Attention residents of
what?
Blackwater City. As you may have noticed, we appear to be dealing with a small
Groovatron. Oh, it can make enemies dance.
In the city of these creatures, but first
What's
they
this?
have to wake up, get washed,
Pixelator.
drive over here. I mean, really, it's a whole process. So
That's
until
15.
they arrive, the race
Yeah.
is
No,
postponed.
we don't have enough for
Please
that.
stay inside your
Wanna
home.
buy the Groovatron?
Yeah.
Thank you.
We'll get the pixelator later. We already have 7
Take your time.
jewels.
No, really.
Yeah.
That's how you make a great weapon even better.
Well, right now it's as upgraded as it can be right now.
Maxed out right now.
Yeah, the Pyrocitor, fully upgraded. You can tell that's my favorite weapon to
Oh, yeah.
use.
Anything with fire is always good.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I only have one, dang it. Oh, well.
That stuff goes pretty quick.
Get your
Let's clear out those amoeboids. I have a new McMark's hoverboard I want to try out.
I like how the environments are all different too.
Well, let's equip the Groovatron and,
Flamethrower is almost ready to go to level 4.
yeah.
Oh, I see what they mean by the bolts being different now. They're coins.
Oh,
What's down here?
I guess we're searching the sewers now.
Yep. Oh,
Oh.
god. Well, that works.
Yeah. Oh, no, I don't want to fill it up. There.
Let's make sushi of them.
There we go.
That's cool.
You want to keep it that way or
Is there any other options, or is it...
not right now? No.
You might want to go kill that thing first.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Is that how it originally was in the games?
What? The bolts like that?
Yeah.
No, the sound you were hearing before was the original sound.
Ah.
Love that suit.
Yeah, I know. It's so cool.
Let's just destroy worlds together. And kill the fish. Oh, that would have been awesome if it hit.
Yeah. Just a little bit off, though.
Can we not break the cover on the other?
What was that?
What was what?
I heard something like growl. Oh, I think I have to increase the water
Yeah.
again.
Open the vents up or something.
No, just to get up.
Higher ground.
Yeah. Alright. Oh,
What
these
the heck
guys.
are these guys? That's just cool.
Now burn. Oh yeah, every time you kill one of those guys that are big, they'll break off into 2 smaller ones.
Oh, I remember those guys from the 3rd game.
Woo!
See, I really hope they continue this with the other 4 games.
Wait, what? Oh crap.
Oh boy. I believe we should run now.
Oh, the water level's going up.
Yep.
Surprised I haven't seen any fishies.
Yeah. Good thing about rare titanium, if you get it and it's far away, you don't have to worry because
It comes to you.
yeah.
Are you looking for something?
A way out of here. I'm hoping I didn't go the wrong way. Nope.
One or two.
Yep.
Ratchet,
These missions are awesome.
Dang it.
Oh, so close. You're like right from the surface.
Ah.
I mean, you'll get to the point where you're at the town where you're going to, and then she'll just shout, "Hey, you need to go to this town you're already in."
Oh dear. The water is rising.
I get that, Clank.
That was close.
Wait, did it stop rising? Yeah.
Yeah, I'd stop. If you want, well, there's nothing really to check underneath you. There's bomb crates.
Alright, let me go activate it real quick. Yep.
How do you say that?
Oh. There. You
Oh,
just
you
touch
just
it.
get close to it, okay. Nice payday.
Yeah.
There's more over there.
Yep.
You'll
There
never
are-
be short of cash in this game, that's for sure.
Yeah.
I do find it weird how the boxes like disappear as you get close to them.
Yeah. There are a lot of these kind of boxes up at Navalis when I search the caves for the hidden treasure, which was a big room with a lot of crates and a holocard pack.
This place looks like
Oh.
bad news. Better keep our eyes peeled, Clank.
And exactly who are you?
Hey, pal. You got any of them Rhino holo cards?
What's a rhino?
Only the most powerful super weapon in the galaxy, Chief. Stands for Rip You a New One. See, the Gadgetron guys, they knew the plans would be too dangerous to leave in any one location. So they split them up and printed them on a bunch of holo cards. Me and my associates would very much like to acquire these holo cards, and thus, the full plan.
And let me guess, if we give you all the holo cards, you'll build us the weapon.
That is correct, my industrious friend. Here, take this trespasser. It may help facilitate the acquisition of said merchandise.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, so if you don't know what the Rhino is, it's a shotgun / rocket launcher.
Oh, that sounds awesome. Where's the trespasser?
It's a gadget.
Oh,
I'm guessing when you walk up to something, it will.
ah.
the trespasser in short-circuit powered locks. Rotate selected control ring to point laser at power port.
Oh, you're supposed to point at those red points.
Detected port powered. Power remaining port with remaining laser.
Oh, okay.
That's cool.
Seems simple enough.
Yep.
Oh. Ooh, hollow card.
Oh, I just remember what that coin type thing's from.
What?
You ever played Luigi's Mansion?
It's been a long time.
The coins that they use in the sound for it are almost exactly the same. It's a rhino piece. How many said there were? 4?
I don't know. Look, collect all 3 rhino sets so you can trade them for the real rhino.
Okay,
Good
so you need
luck.
3.
Yeah, I need 3 full sets, I guess. Who was this?
I don't know.
Is she a Lombax?
She looks like one. I don't know how. Most of the Lombax are... Okay, that's from 2003, which
Yeah.
means the second game, so... She's from the first game. Huh.
Hey, you got one.
You do a lot of learning doing this.
Travel
Yeah.
to other planets and stuff. Hollow cards are everywhere.
Yeah, they are.
Yep.
Alright, I guess that's
What's new, buddy?
nothing much. Oh, how do I get in there? Oh.
That's all.
Guess I gotta unlock it from the other side.
Yeah. Which means you need to find another way to get there.
Taxi!
Take me to my house! I would not want to be in one of those taxis after I get out
What do you
of a
say,
bar
pal?
wasted.
Feel like entering the race?
I want to reload that ammo.
Yeah, it's my charming personality that keeps you coming back, ain't it?
Oh, no.
We don't have enough for
Fully
this lady.
loaded.
Yeah, not yet.
We will. Eventually.
Contain
Oh.
and exterminate all unauthorized organisms. Rodent type organism detected. Exterminate.
Oh my god, that's so effective.
Exterminate. I will
I
exterminate.
mean, it's not freaking magical or anything, but it's amazing.
Yeah.
I'm guessing it doesn't work in boss fights, though.
I have no idea.
Yeah, you got one of those disco balls.
Yep. Dance party. Woo!
That's a lot of enemies that are about to die.
Yeah. Every dance floor needs flames.
Burn, baby, burn. Disco Inferno! Okay, go back to that bridge once you get done with this. Doesn't that look like the rake from Dead Space?
A little bit, yeah. Oh crap, I almost hit that. No! Where did you guys come from?
Probably the elevator.
Blue hollow card.
Whatever it is. We gotta pay attention now because if we get rhino pieces...
Yeah, I don't think it was. I think that was a hollow card. Oh, it might have been Ratanium.
Yeah. I wonder if there's different
Oh.
forms. Oh god. Disco ball already upgraded. Wow. I wonder if he'll start hurting after a while.
I think one of the upgrades is to actually up the damage. So this doesn't... The Groovatron doesn't damage him, but it leaves him vulnerable.
Yeah. Kind of like a distraction weapon.
Yeah, but one of the upgrades is vulnerability, which increases the amount of damage they take when they're dancing.
That's very cool.
Yeah.
Attention residents
Where?
of Blackwater City. In lieu of a security team, we've released a whole mess of extremobots into the city. We've also dispatched a few automated tanks, just to speed things along. The onboard AI doesn't let them distinguish between trespassers and locals, so...
Oh, there it is.
Stay indoors.
Only some are dancing, though.
Yeah, hologram. Wow, this is awesome.
Oh,
You're breaking one? There's another...
I got 3 rotate. What the heck is that thing? That looks pretty dangerous.
It's a giant fucking tank, it looks like.
I wonder if I can make the tank dance.
I think it is dancing.
It's dancing now.
That's so funny.
I don't think a flamethrower is going to do much.
Yeah.
Alright, Mr. Zircon, do your thing.
Kill the beast.
Oh, it's dead.
Oh, yes. I hate those slimes.
I doubt that's the last of them.
Make sure you didn't leave any
Wait.
coins behind.
What did I just do?
Drop quick shots.
Nice.
Ah, yes.
Titanium right there.
Yep, and a lot of boxes.
That is awesome.
Yeah. Little bit of an unexpected payday.
Oh yeah. It's like an Irish gold mine right now.
Oh, look at all the coins over there.
Oh. Let's say we made the money back from what we spent on the,
Exterminate.
whatever.
I don't know where I'm going anymore.
Yeah, we...
Need more caves, it looks like.
Oh boy. Disco ball this.
Oh. Ah, come Buster. Groovatron. Yep. It's already almost at level 3.
Well then boosted.
Throw it! Throw it, Ratchet! Oh crap, my flamethrower is now out of ammo. Oh crap. Oh no.
You're in a bit of a pickle. Already level 3.
Yep. Oh, nanotech. Nanotech.
You know, while they're distracted. You're really getting those rotating. It'd be nice to have that gun fully upgraded, nice and quick like.
Yeah. I wish they all upgraded as fast as the Groovatron has.
Oh yeah. If they all upgrade that fast, we'd be so OP, it's not even funny.
Come on.
Oh boy, out of ammo.
finish these last two off, and then I think we'll
Oh,
just...
they're dead.
Okay. Well then, I think we'll leave it here.
Let me try and find more ammo.
There's health ammo up there. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. As also, if you like this channel, subscribe. If you want to see other great videos, check out Miko's channel, Miko Gaming. And if you really want to get in touch with us, check us out on Twitter or Facebook. Miko/SpaceCappy. Just put the hashtag so we know who it's from. And as always, we'll see you in the next video.
See ya.